Hi! Today we are making the mozzarella cheese, and what we need is like a lot of salt, and we made a brine right here. That's brine, and we put the egg. This is clean, uncooked egg, and it floats. So in 10 cups of water, we put 3 cups of salt, and it makes the egg float. And that's our brine for our cheese. And we have the cheese curd here. It's a Paleo brand. You can buy it in the store. We bought a block of 21 pounds, but this is just part of it. And we have I have 12 basil leaves, the fresh leaves, and 2 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of black caraway seeds. So again, 10 cups of water, 3 cups of salt. You dissolve it, and then you make sure the egg floats in your water, and then the cheese curd, basil, garlic, caraway seeds, and you can put any flavor if you want. We also made some hot cheese. We have the jalapeno. We also made habanero and dill, so whatever flavor you want. And so the cheese, it's 4 cups. Make sure you have 4 cups. And the cheese curds, I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute the first time, and then stir it, and then put it for another 30 seconds. And if it's still not soft enough, I could put it for another 15 seconds, but we'll see. I'll stick it in the microwave now. Okay, so here's the texture of that. You just try to get it out. There's the basil, garlic. We have to work fast too because it gets cold fast, and then you can't. So it's hot. You need clean hands. Hot, hot, hot. We're gonna make 4 knots of cheese. So just gonna poke a hole, stretch. This is what makes it stringy. Be careful not to break your string. Smells so good. Last one. And twist. There's the mozzarella cheese. And it goes in the brine. It has to sit there for 7 hours. Okay, it's been 7 hours, and the cheese are ready, and I took them out of the brine. And now I have the parchment paper. Just wrap it with this. And then the foil. Oh, to get through. Yeah, that one, it looks like an elephant. It has a trunk. And if you're not using it right away, it's okay to freeze them. I keep them in the freezer for a long time, and then I just pull them out whenever I'm ready to use them. And that's it. Enjoy your cheese.